Hello students. So in this video we are going to solve the class 8 IMO exam paper from the year 2020 set 2, the first set of 25 questions, and as in any of my other videos you will learn the quickest method to solve the question. In this paper there are a few questions which are a bit tricky, so I'll tell you the quickest method. You'll also learn the maths fundamentals and concepts with some interesting facts and images. And this courses and videos will also help you in your class 8 maths school exam. So you may want to like and subscribe to my channel because I normally publish the videos in almost one every week. Okay, the first one, find the correct water image of the given figure. So normally water image is reflection, isn't it? And here it's extremely easy because you just have to find the position of this square, and square when it is reflected, it will be here, somewhere here, isn't it? So option A is the correct option. The rest all the options are incorrect because square is at the other side, isn't it? Mayank went 50 meters south from his house. As soon as you start basically reading such questions, you have to start drawing, isn't it? So start position is this, 50 meters south from his house, 50 meters south, then he turns left and 20 meters and turns north and 30 meters. So in which direction is his home with respect to the final point, isn't it? With respect to the final point, so this is the final point and his home is here, isn't it? So it is this direction, this direction is northwest, isn't it? This direction is northwest. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. So what is the pattern? Here also is a very good question. So 4 fours are 16 and 3 nines are 27, isn't it? 4 fours are 16 and 3 nines are 27 and 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. This is a central number. 13 fives are 65 and 7 sixes are 42 and 6 plus 5 is 11, isn't it? 13 fives are 65, 13 fives are 65 and 7 sixes are 42, 7 sixes are 42. And if you add 6 plus 5, it is 11, which is a central number. Similarly, 9 eights are 72 and 3 9 threes are 27. So it will be 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12. So here the central number is 12. Which of the following symbol will be on the face opposite to the face having symbol star? If the given net is folded to form a cube, again you have to find the opposite faces, isn't it? So percentage and dollar will be opposite. And if you fold dollar like this vertically, and then C will be here, isn't it? C will be here, the side face of this, and star will be opposite to copyright, isn't it? The copyright will be opposite to star. So star will be opposite to the copyright. Which of the following figures will continue the same series as established by the problem figures? Again, a good question. So how is the series? So two dots are here. Now one dot has moved. Okay, one dot has moved here. The second dot has not moved. It is here. Now the second dot has moved. Okay, second dot has moved here. The first dot has not moved here. Now the first dot will move here. So the first dot has moved here. The second dot has not moved. Second dot has not moved. Now the second dot has moved, isn't it? Now the second dot is moving. The first dot is still here, isn't it? Now the second dot has moved here. So in the next figure, the second dot will not move, but the first dot will move, isn't it? So second dot has not moved, but the first dot has moved to this figure, isn't it? Second dot has not moved. First dot has moved from this to this. Okay, a good question. If the first and second digits from the left of each of the given numbers are interchanged and one is subtracted from the third digit, then what is the sum of digits of the third highest number thus formed? So start solving. So start putting the numbers, okay? And interchange the first and second digits. So you'll get like this: 735, 643, 657, 278, and 369. Subtract 1 from the third digit. So what is subtract 1? 735 minus 1 is 734. 643 minus 1 is 642. Similarly, 656, 277, 368. And third highest number, what is the third highest number? Third highest number is 642. What is the highest number? 734. Then comes 656 and then 642. And sum of digits of 642 are 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So answer is 12. If there is a certain relationship between the pair of numbers on either side of this ratio, Identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing number. Now I really am struggling to find the answer because 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. So if the ratio is 1 is to 7, then 9 sevens are 63. But 63 is not there in any of the answers because 8 sevens are 56 and 9 sevens are 63, but 63 is not there. So I'm not really sure about the answer of this. A square transparent sheet with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. Select a figure from the options as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. Easy question. So when you fold the transparent sheet along this line will come here like this, isn't it? And this line will come here like this, isn't it? So this will be the correct option. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. Easy question. So again, if you find questions, easy questions like this, start solve them as quickly as possible. If you find a question which is difficult, then you can mark the question as for later or to be done. But don't waste too much time on the difficult questions. First, solve all the easy questions, and then you can come back to your difficult questions. So this figure is exactly embedded. There is a triangle. There is this shape, mountain shape here, and then two of these, 1 and 2. Okay, so this shape is exactly embedded here. P, Q, R, S, T, and U are sitting in a circle facing the center. S is between R and U. So again, for questions like this, start positioning. S is between R and U. Q is between T and P. Q is between T and P. And R and T are opposite to each other. R and T are opposite of each other. Isn't it? They are opposite of each other. And Q is to the second to the right of R. Q is to the second of right of R. So this is R. This is the right of R. First and second. Q is second to the right of R. Who is third to the left of Q? Third to the left of Q is 1, 2, and 3. Third to the left of Q will be S. S, isn't it? Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst mobile phones, ceiling fans, and electronic devices? Now again, mobile phones are electronic devices. Ceiling fans may have an electronic chip now, though it is more or less electrical device. But mobile phones and electronic ceiling fans are more or less they are electronic devices. How many even numbers are there in the given series, each of which is immediately preceded by an even number? Preceded by is the number before and immediately followed by an odd number, isn't it? So how many even numbers are there? 6, which is preceded by an even number followed by an odd number. 8, preceded by an even number followed by an odd number. This 2, preceded by even number followed by odd number. And 8, preceded by even number followed by odd number. So 4 such numbers, even numbers are there. Group the given figures into 3 classes on the basis of their identical properties using each figure only once. Easy question. So what are the identical properties in 1, 6 and 8? 1, 6 and 8, the figures are just touching each other. They are just touching each other. 2, 4 and 7. 2, 4 and 7. There is a one figure in a outer figure which is different. One figure in a outer figure which is different. Triangle is different than square. Circle is different than triangle. Square is different than circle. 3, 5, 9. In 3, 5, 9, there is one smaller shape in a larger shape. So this rhombus in a bigger rhombus. Smaller circle in a bigger circle. And small rectangle in a big rectangle. So answer is 1, 6, 8, 2, 4, 7, 3, 5, 9. Select a figure from the options which satisfies the same condition of placement of dots as in the given figure. So what is the placement of dot? So first dot is inside the triangle but out of the circle and square. The first dot. Second dot is inside the square and the triangle. Second dot is inside the square and the triangle and circle. Sorry, this second dot is inside the circle, is inside the square, it is inside the triangle. And the third dot, this dot is inside the square and the circle, but outside of the triangle. It is outside of the triangle. So how do you position? This is the correct option. So first is one dot is inside the triangle, out of the circle, out of the square. Second dot is inside all the three figures, circle, triangle and square. And third dot is inside the circle and square but out of the triangle. Each vowel in the word gamble is substituted by the next letter of the English alphabet. So what is the vowel in gamble? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. There are two vowels here, A and E. And they are substituted by the next letter of the English alphabet. What is the next letter of A? B. What is E? What is the next letter of E? It is F. And all the consonants are substituted by the previous letter. What are the other letters are consonants? So G you have to substitute by the previous letter. What is the previous letter of G? F. Because A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is the previous letter of M? It is L. What is the previous letter of B? It is A. What is the previous letter of L? It is K, isn't it? And you have to arrange this in alphabetical order. So it will be A, B, F, F, K, L. A, B, F, F, K, L. So what is the fourth letter from the right hand? Fourth letter from the right hand will be 1, 2, 3, 4. F, letter F. Option D is the correct option. Find the value of 523 plus 265 square minus 523 minus 265 square upon 523 into 265. A plus B square minus A minus B square will be 4AB, isn't it? Because this will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. And this will be A square minus 2AB plus B square. And when you minus this, it will be A square plus 2AB plus B square minus A square plus 2AB, because minus minus will be plus, minus B square, and A square and B square and minus B square will get cancelled. Only thing that will remain is 4AB. You can try this out. Only thing that will remain is 4AB. So for this, if this is A and this is B, so A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. So 4 times 523 into 265. 523 into 265 upon 523 into 265 will be 523 will get cancelled. 265 will get cancelled. Only thing that will remain is number 4. Which of the following options is incorrect? Okay. So addition and multiplication are commutative, which is fine. A plus B is B plus A. A into B is B into A. Subtraction and division are not associative, isn't it? Which is correct, because associative again is only for multiplication and addition. A plus B, bracket A plus B plus C is equal to A plus bracket B plus C. Also bracket of A into B into C is A into bracket B into C. So again, addition is and also addition is associative as well, isn't it? Addition is associative. We saw this here. And rational numbers are not closed. Now, what is closed numbers? A set of numbers is closed only if the operation on two elements within the given set gives another element of a similar set, So like 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Natural numbers are closed under addition and multiplication, isn't it? 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 into 3 is 6. However, they are not closed under subtraction, because natural numbers are numbers between numbers from 1 to infinity. Because 2 minus 3 is minus 1, which is not a natural number. And 2 divided by 3 is 2 upon 3. Again, it's a fraction. It is not a natural number. So rational numbers, they are not closed under division, because P upon Q. Q could be 0. So 2 upon 0 is not defined, isn't it? 2 upon 0 is not defined. It is not one of the rational numbers set, and hence rational numbers are not closed under division. So option D is incorrect. Rational numbers are not closed under division. 3 numbers are in the ratio 5:6:7. The sum of their cubes is 1, 8, 4, 6, 8. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be 5a, 6a, 7a, where a is the constant. So 5a whole cube plus 6a whole cube plus 7a whole cube. Sum of their cubes is 18468. What is 5 cube? 125a cube plus 6 cube is 216a cube plus 7 cube is 343a cube is 18468. 125 plus 216 plus 343 is 684. A cube is 18468. So A cube is 18468 divided by 684. 18468 divided by 684 is 27. So then what is A? A is 3, because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. A is 3. So what are the numbers? 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21. 15, 18 and 21 are the numbers. A rectangle of length 44 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter is rolled along its length to form a cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay. So what is the circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. So circumference 2 pi r. So that is the length because it is rolled along the length. So 2 pi r is 44, isn't it? 2 pi r is 44 and breadth will be the height because it is rolled along the length to form a cylinder. So breadth will be the height of the cylinder. So height is 12. So 2 pi r is 44. So what is r? Radius will be 44 upon 2 pi and height h will be 12. Height is 12. What is volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. So pi into what is r? 44 upon 2 pi. 44 upon 2 pi whole square into h, isn't it? So pi into 44 upon 44 square upon 2 pi square will be 4 pi square. So 44 square into h upon 4 pi square, isn't it? And pi and 1, this pi will cancel the square. So 44 square into h. What is h? 12. And upon 4 into 1 pi will remain 4 into pi. So again 44 square is 44 into 44 into 12. And this pi is 22 upon 7. So 7 will come up. So 4 into 22 upon 7. So 7 will come up, isn't it? So 22, 2s are 44. And again 4, 11s are 44, isn't it? So 2 into 11 into 12 into 7. So that will be 1848 centimeter cube, isn't it? So good question. The total area of a particular country is 325,000,000 square miles. Which of the following expressions represent the area in scientific notation? So scientific notation is number between 1 and 10. Any number between 1 and 10 multiplied by the power of 10. So what is the number between 1 and 10? 3.25, isn't it? 3.25 will be number between 1 and 10 into 10 raised to 7, is it? Even 325 into 10 raised to 5 will give this correct option. But the number preferably should be between 1 to 10. It should be between 1 to 10. 325 is not between 1 to 10. This also is the correct answer because 32.5 into 10 raised to 6 will be this number. But again, number 32.5 is not between 1 and 10. So this is not the correct option. This option is wrong because it should be 3.25 into 10 raised to 7, isn't it? Because how many digits after point? If you have point here, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So it should be 10 raised to 7 and not 10 raised to 6. So correct option is option A. Find the measure of angle x. So sum of the interior angles of this polygon is n minus 2 into 180. How many sides of the polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? Of a regular polygon, the interior angles is, the sum of the interior angles is 180. Now again, if this angle BCF plus angle BCD is 180 adjacent angles, isn't it? So BCD, angle BCD is 180 minus 85. 180 minus 85 is 95. Similarly, angle EDG plus angle, this angle EDC is 180 adjacent angles. So angle EC, so angle EDC, sorry, angle EDC will be, what will be angle EDC? It will be 180 minus 75. EDC will be 180 minus 75 is 105. So this is 105 plus 95 plus x plus 40 plus x, isn't it? So x plus x is 2x. Is n minus 2 into 180. What are the number of sides? How many number of sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? 5 sides. So what is n? N is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180. So 95 plus 105 plus 2x plus 40 is 5 minus 2 is 3. It is a 54. 540. So 2x plus 95 plus 105 plus 40 is 240. 2x plus 240 is 540. 2x is 540 minus 240. 540 minus 240 is 300. So x will be 150. This x is 150 degrees. Find the least number that must be added to 66838 to make it a perfect square. Okay. So remember that perfect square always ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 9, 5, 6 or 9. A perfect square will always end with these numbers, isn't it? 7 7s are 49 or 6 6 are 36. 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16, 16 ends with 6, isn't it? 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. So perfect square, that number will always end in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So let's evaluate all the options. So if you add, if this is the correct option, so 66838 plus 274. 8 and 4, the last number will end in 2 because 8 plus 4 is 12. The last number will end in 2. So again, this is not a perfect square because perfect square always ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 8, 6, 6, 8, 3, 8 plus, let's try the second option, 148. 6, 6, 8, 3, 8 plus 148. That will end in 6 because 8 plus 8 is 16, isn't it? 8 plus 8 is 16. 8, that number will end in 6. And what is that number? The number is 66986. 66838 plus 148 is 66986. And this is not a perfect square. However, this is not a perfect square. Now let's try the third option, 66838 plus 243. That will end in 1. So again, it is a qualifying perfect square. So what is that number? 67081. And 67081 is the perfect square of, I think, 259. It is the perfect square of 259 because 9 9 is 18. Okay. You can calculate this. The diagonals of a rhombus are in the ratio 3:4. If the perimeter of the rhombus is 40 centimeter, then find its area. So what are the rhombus properties? Diagonals, so they will always intersect at 90 degrees. They will always intersect at 90 degrees. And the sides are equal. Okay. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So perimeter is 40. The whole thing is 40. 40. So what is each side? Each side is 10, isn't it? Because 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It is 40. Now here in this thing, CI square, the Pythagoras, you have to apply Pythagoras. So let's see. Okay, so in this rhombus, let's see the ratio is 3:4. Okay, so let's see this is 4 and this is 3, the diagonal. Okay, now CI square plus IB square is this side square. How much is this? It is 10, which is 10 square. So CI square plus IB square is 10 square, isn't it? So roughly, what is your mental math say? 64 plus 36 is 10 square, which is 100, isn't it? 64 plus 36 is 100. And 64 is the perfect square, isn't it? 64 is the perfect square of 8. And 36 is the perfect square of 6, isn't it? So 8 square plus 6 square is 100. Because 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36, is 100. And again, 8 and 6 are in the ratio of 4:3, or 6 and 8 in the ratio are 3:4. So this will be 3. Sorry, this will be 6 and this will be 8, isn't it? Because 6 square plus 8 square is 10 square, isn't it? So if this is 6, then this whole will be twice of 6, which is 12. And if this is 8, then this whole will be twice of 8, which will be 16. So one is 12, the another is 16, isn't it? And what is the area of rhombus? Rhombus is sum of multiplication of the diagonals divided by 2. So the diagonals are, one is 12, the other is 16. So 12 into 16 divided by 2 is 2 6 are 12 and 16 6 are 96. So area will be 96 centimeter square. So a good question. If x square plus 1 upon x square is 79, then find the value of x plus 1 upon x, isn't it? So let's square this. If you square x plus 1 upon x, it will be x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. And x into x will get cancelled. Only will remain is 2 plus 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square, isn't it? So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And here ab, x and 1 upon x will get cancelled. Only thing that will remain is 2. So x plus 1 upon x square is x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. What is x square plus 1 upon x square? X square plus 1 upon x square is 79. So 79 plus 2, 79 plus 2 is 81. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is 81. So what is x plus 1 upon x? Square root of 81, which is 9. So x plus 1 upon x will be 9. Last question, hooray! Find the value of 2 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 2 upon 11. Whole divided by this whole thing. So you have to calculate each of the numerators and denominators separately. And again, for denominator, you have to calculate it piecewise. So 2 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 2 upon 11. So 2 integer 1 upon 3 is 3 to the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 3 minus 11 1 is 11 plus 2 is 13 upon 11. 11 7 is 77. 3 13 is 39 into 11 3 is 33. So common is 33. 77 minus 39 is 38 upon 33. So the numerator is 38 upon 33. Let's calculate the denominator, the last part of the denominator. What is the last part of the denominator? 3 plus 1 upon 3. 3 plus 1 upon 3 is 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. It will be 10 upon 3. So if this is 10 upon 3, the 3 will go up here and 10 will remain at the bottom. So it will be 3 plus 3 upon 10. 3 plus 3 upon 10 is 10 3 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 upon 10. So if this is 33 upon 10, the 10 will go up, 33 will remain down. So 3 plus 10 upon 33. 3 plus 10 upon 33 will 33 3s are 99. 99 plus 10 is 109. So it will be 109 upon 33. So the whole number for this whole denominator is 109 upon 33. So finally it will be 38 upon 33 because first is 38 upon 33. So it will be 38 upon 33 whole upon 109 upon 33. The 33 will get cancelled because both are denominators. What will remain is 38 upon 109. 38 upon 109 is what remains. Okay. So with this, students, we have come to the end of class 8 IMO exam paper from the year 2020, set 2, the first set of 25 questions. And please like and subscribe to my videos because I normally publish new videos every week. So thank you, students. Thank you. Bye bye.